Okay, got to solve an equation. It looks quite simple, but I'm towards the end, so I'm expecting it to be a bit harder than we think. I want to do the opposite, so I have to times both sides by 5. And that will give me 3x's, take away 1, equals, I've got to times everything by 5, so that'll be 5x's, and 5 lots of minus 2 will be minus 10. I always work out which one's got the most x's in. This one's got most x's, so I'll take away the 3x's from there and take away 3x's from there, and that'll leave me minus 1 equals 2x's minus 10. And then I want to add 10 to both sides, so add 10 there, add 10 to that side, and that says that 9 equals 2x's, and so x equals 4.5, 3 marks. Simplify this. This is about rules of indices. A power divided by a power, we subtract the indices, so that'll be a to the power of 5 minus 9, which is minus 4, and it's that to the power of minus 2. So all I've done is simplify the middle bit down, and that will give me one of the 2 marks. And now I've got a power of a power, and we have that, you multiply the indices, and that gives me a to the power of minus 4 times minus 2 will be positive 8. And express this as a single fraction. Well, I need to make sure that the bottoms are the same in this case, so that I can add them. The denominators have to be the same. So I'm going to multiply this one by x plus 1. So I'm going to get the bottom being x minus 2 times by x plus 1. That's going to be the first one, and minus, and I'm going to have to make the other one also be x minus 2 times by x plus 1. Okay, so look at the first fraction. This one here, 4 over x minus 2. What do I have to times the bottom by to get this? The answer is x plus 1. So I've got to do 4 lots of the top, so that will give me 4x plus 4. Or I could put in brackets 4 lots and in brackets x plus 1. Over here, 5 over x plus 1. I have to times the bottom by x minus 2, so I've got to times the top by x minus 2, and so we have 5 lots of x, which will be 5x, and 5 lots of minus 2 will be minus 10. And already I'm beginning to think, hang on, there's going to be a problem here because I've got a subtract down there, and so that means negative all of this bit. I can see there's going to be a problem with there, and that's going to have to change. If I want to help myself, put the brackets around there to help see what's going on. I've got the bottoms the same, so I can now just put them all over that, because if I had, I don't know, 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7, the answer would be 5 over 7. The bottom bit doesn't change. So the bottom bit is going to be x minus 2 times by x plus 1. And what have I got on top? I've got 4x's, take away 5x's will be minus 1x. And I've got 4 minus 10. And that's going to be the same as 4 add 10. And so that'll be plus 14. And it says in its simplest form, that'd probably be okay, but we don't often like starting with a negative, so you might well want to write that down as 14 take away x over x minus 2 times by x plus 1. But you'll probably get away with this because after all it is correct. And that is question, whatever we are, question 16 done.